AI is transforming our world. But what programming languages should you master to be part of this revolution? Artificial intelligence is at the forefront of innovation, changing the way we live and work. But if you're looking to build a career in AI, knowing the right programming languages is essential. In this video, we'll explore the top languages you need to learn to stay ahead in the AI game. First up, Python. Widely regarded as the king of AI programming, Python's simplicity and a massive ecosystem of libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, and scikit-learn make it the go-to language for machine learning, deep learning, and data science. Its vibrant community ensures you'll never run out of resources or support. If your focus is on statistical modeling and data analysis, R is indispensable. Its specialized tools make it perfect for data pre-processing and visualization, particularly in academic and research environments. JavaScript may not be the first language that comes to mind for AI. But with libraries like TensorFlow.js, it's gaining traction for building AI-powered web applications. If you're aiming to combine AI with web development, this is a must-learn language. Speed and efficiency are critical in AI applications like robotics and gaming. C++ excels here with its low-level memory control and high performance. It's a favorite for AI tasks that demand precision and speed. Java remains a favorite for enterprise-level AI solutions. Its robustness, scalability, and integration with big data tools like Hadoop and Spark make it ideal for large-scale AI deployments. Julia is gaining momentum in the AI world for its speed and performance in numerical computing. If you're working on high-level mathematical computations or want to explore an emerging language, Julia is worth your attention. Each of these languages has its strengths, and the best one for you depends on your goals. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, there's never been a better time to dive into AI. Which language are you excited to learn? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.